It's crucial to only work with the top experts in the industry when it comes to land surveying services in Gollarapalya, Bangalore. The team of land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, is one such trustworthy choice. They have the skills and knowledge necessary to complete even the most challenging land surveying assignments. To assure precise measurements and outcomes, they employ cutting-edge equipment and technology. These land surveyors can provide excellent services geared to match the unique demands of their clients, whether it is for residential, commercial, or industrial applications. They stand out from other surveying companies in the region thanks to their dedication to quality and client satisfaction. If you're searching for a private land surveyor in Gollarapalya, Bangalore, you might want to take a look at those who serve the surrounding communities of Kamasandra. You can steer clear of expensive mistakes and legal squabbles with the aid of qualified and experienced land surveyors. You can gain from the services of trustworthy land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, whether you're a landowner, real estate developer, or homeowner. They provide precise results using contemporary surveying equipment and methods, assisting you in making decisions concerning your property. Bangalore's Gollarapalya neighborhood is quickly growing, and there are many active real estate projects there. The need for qualified land surveyors has thus grown considerably. In order to keep up with the rising demand for land surveying services, the Karnataka State Government hired a group of knowledgeable land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore. These government land surveyors are in charge of precisely measuring and mapping the land so that builders, architects, and developers can have access to crucial data. Modern tools and methods are used by the land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, to guarantee accurate measurements and mapping. Government land surveyors are essential to ensure that land development projects are carried out successfully and without causing any environmental or legal problems. You must hire qualified land surveyors if you intend to invest in real estate projects in Bangalore's Gollarapalya neighborhood. You can trust that the government-appointed land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, will provide you with correct information about the property you wish to buy because they are highly qualified and experienced in their field. You can prevent any legal or environmental problems that can result from inaccurate measurements or mapping by employing these experts. The top experts with the necessary knowledge and experience must be chosen when it comes to land surveying. There are several land surveyors in Gollarapalya, Bangalore, but it can be difficult to choose the best. Finding land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, is a fantastic choice because they are close by and offer top-notch services. The top land surveyors in Gollarapalya, Bangalore, are individuals with many years of expertise and thorough familiarity with the most recent methods and tools employed in the field. They should also be well-versed in the local laws and rules governing land surveying. Your project can be accomplished precisely and effectively by working with knowledgeable land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore. They are able to offer a variety of services, such as construction staking, topographic surveys, and boundary surveys. They can aid you in making defensible choices regarding your land use and development.